Hey folks, welcome to another tutorial from php-scripting.com. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at using the fputs function to create web pages on the fly. We've got three fields: title, meta description, and text. We'll enter information into those fields and create a web page. Now, I've gone through this tutorial fairly quickly. You can look back on former tutorials at php-scripting.com so that you have a better idea of what's going on. It's bare bones. We don't use a database. It's basically just using the browser to carry the information over. I hope you enjoy this and learn something from it. So we'll log in to our secure area. There is a link in the description in my blog and on YouTube showing how to create this secure area. We create a form. And we have two versions of this form. One if the form is set, and one for if the form isn't set. If the form is set, it will be showing the values of each that we've entered. Now we've got our page URL, so we know what page we're on. We use HTML entities for a little bit more security when passing the form data over. And then, of course, we have to make sure everything is set. Define our variables, strip any slashes from the meta desk and text. Then we write the page, putting the variables in the appropriate areas. The variable.php, fputs. Now we'll try out the form, enter in a title, meta description, and the text. And I'm just using the same for both text fields to make it quicker. Create the page, view the page, and there we have it. We have our H1, we have our text, view the source, and as you can see, everything is in the appropriate spot. This is very basic. However, it should show beginners a little bit about how this is done. You can expand on this greatly, of course, adding images, etc. If the fields are empty, it won't create anything, it won't process, which is exactly what you want. Now, as we can see, there's the page that we created. There's the HTML for it. This was a rather quick tutorial. However, if you have been following my tutorials at php-scripting.com, you should understand a little bit about what's going on here. The fputs function is a little new to everyone. However, it is quite self-explanatory and quite easy to use. Well, I hope you learned something from this and enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and visit my site at php-scripting.com.